Hello and welcome friends to my investment literacy channel. Today we are going to discuss about the Aurobindo Pharma Limited. So we will analyze its business, its valuation. We will discuss about its loss and profit and why we should invest to this company right now. So if you are looking for short-term or mid-term investment or for long-term investments, my strong recommendation for this company to invest without delay. So before uh, going to discuss, okay, first at the beginning we should know about this company. So this is the top two listed pharmaceutical company in India based on its revenue growth in FY21. Okay, then the company what is doing basically is engaged in producing oral and injectable genetic formulation and active pharmaceutical ingredients. So when we are talking about that active pharmaceutical ingredients, I hope you all know what's going on in China and how we are going to benefited by our Atmanirbhar projects. So definitely here for this APIs segment, this company is going to make huge profit. Okay, so there is no doubt. Then we should know about its manufacturing unit. When we are talking about its manufacturing unit, although this is the India-based company, but it has manufacturing facilities diversified across the globe. See, in USA, in Europe, Brazil, including India, it has more than 1,700 R&D scientists, research and development scientists all over the globe, including majority of them are in India, specifically in Hyderabad. In in addition to this, they have a lot of research scientists like in New Jersey, North Carolina, New York. Then when we are talking about this revenue model, okay. So as we have said, it has a lot of manufacturing industries around the globe. So 15 formulation facilities. Uh, Among 15, 10 in India, 3 in USA, 1 in Brazil, and 1 in Portugal. And it also going to set up manufacturing facilities for biosimilars and vaccines, which are very emerging. Okay. Now see, as a result, it's more than 2016 216,000 million revenue is coming from this formulation revenue. Okay, formulation segment, which is 88% of the total revenue, which is quite interesting. Now when we are talking about the API manufacturing plants in India, it has 11 high specification. Okay, and see, almost 12% of the total revenue is coming from this API segments and is going to be more. I can bet on this because of this China issue and our Indian government initiative and running this project, Atmanirbhar project. Okay. Then when we are talking about the revenues, see, although it is Indian based company, pharmaceutical company, but 74%. If you include this contribution from USA and Europe, 74% of revenue almost is coming from outside of India, from USA and for Europe. Then when we are talking about, if we compare with its peer, so here I have taken three competitor, okay, strong competitor with whom this company is going to compete. First one is Sun Pharmaceuticals, Dr. Reddy and Cipla. See, if you compare the PE ratio, it has lowest PE ratio and lowest book value ratio, right? This price to book value ratio, which is amazing. So I don't think you can get this kind of company with this PE and PB ratio. Okay, and if you consider the dividend yield, that's also comparable with Dr. Reddy and Cipla, maybe a little bit less in compared to Sun Pharmaceuticals industry. Now, whenever we are talking about the valuation, this company is trading recently uh, less than 200 as well as 50 days moving average. So this yellow line is corresponding to 200 and this is corresponding to sorry, this yellow line is corresponds to the 50 days moving average and this black line is corresponding to 200 days moving average. So here we can see a huge volume. Okay, so I think after when the market will bounce back with this minor correction, this share will run like anything again. Then when we are talking about the loss and profit, see the sales, how the sales is keep on increasing since 2010 to 2021. The sales is keep on increasing, right? Then if you see the operating profit margin, so this is the highest ever operating profit margin in 2021. Then when we are talking about the profit, net profit means profit after tax. See this profit after tax also highest ever and keep on increasing since 2010 to 2012. Even if you see the earn per share, how fantastically it's keep on increasing year on year. Then before investing, you should know the shareholding pattern, okay, of the company. So here we have incorporated last 4 quarter, okay, share holding pattern. If you see that the promoter holding remains same, okay, almost there is no significant change in promoter holding. Mutual fund has reduced little bit. Foreign institute increased little bit, whereas the domestic institute is keep on increasing. No, maybe this September quarter they had decreased little bit, but much more holding they have in compared to December quarter 2020, which indicates that the share is really interesting to buy now. And at the end, based on the analysis by 27 analysts, 81% of them recommended to buy this share, and within 1 year you may get 59% price may share price may increase almost 60%. So now at the end, I would like to mention one comment that I made this video not to recommend you to buy or sell. This is for education purpose. And if you like my video, please share, like, and subscribe my channel. We'll see you next time with another interesting share. Have a nice week ahead.